back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Hope everybody's had a real good time tonight. We surely appreciate everybody that's decided to spend their time with us here on this beautiful Friday night here at the legendary Map Motor Speedway. Racing is back in 2025, baby. It is back and strong as ever. We're going to have a good year of racing, and we're going green here out of turn number 4. So Jason Hall going to jump out to the lead. Jonathan went right behind. Oh, looks like Jonathan may have had a little trouble coming out of 2. Jason had a good clean run. So Jason's going to come around and lead lap number 1. Running order remains the same. You got Jason out front, Jonathan in that 2 spot, Sean in that 3rd and final spot. Jason Hall out to a 1-second lead over Jonathan here for lap number 2. Let's see what the gap is between these 2 drivers. 1.2 seconds now. Jason Hall extending his lead. Jason Hall now extending his lead further out. He's out to a 1.6 second lead. 1.6 seconds for Jason Hall in that S17 machine coming around for lap number 4. 2.002 lead now for Jason Hall. He's still out front in that lead. Coming around to lap number 6, Jason Hall in the S17 machine extends the gap to 2.53 seconds. Jason Hall is stretching out his lead. Looks like he's coming around to put Sean a lap down in that 32 machine. And he's going to clear him as he enter turn 1. He's pulled it out to a 2.7 second lead. Lap number 8, Jason, still your leader. The gap now 2.6 seconds. 2.6 second gap for Jason Hall out front of that S17 machine. I need my open wheel modifieds and 4-cylinder to staging, please. Attention in the pits. Open wheel modifieds, I need you to staging. 4-cylinder drivers, I need you to staging. Your features are next. Coming to lap number 10, Jason Hall still out there in the lead. Has stretched the gap out to a 2.7 second lead. Looks like Jonathan may have figured out a run there. The gap didn't grow that much that last time by. Stayed about the same. Let's see what it is this lap. Lap number 11 of 15. 2.7 seconds. So it looks like Jonathan may have figured the track out. Jason maintaining that same gap of 2.7 seconds. Coming to lap number 12. 2.9 second gap now between Jason and Jonathan. So Jason pulled away a little bit that time by 0.2 of a second. Coming to lap number 13 out of turn 4 here. Jason at the line, still your leader. 2.2 second is the lead now. That is the gap between Jason and Jonathan. Jonathan is closing the gap just ever so slightly. We got 2 laps to go as we come to lap number 14 at the line for Jason Hall. White flag. He's got the gap down to 1.9 seconds now. I'm not sure he's going to have enough time with lap traffic in between him and the leader. Jason Hall, the S17, going to come around and take the checkered flag and get the KDRA Superstock feature win. here at the legendary Mountain Motor Speedway. I need my open wheel modifieds. Open wheel modifieds, my 4-cylinder drivers. I need you to staging, please. Your features are next. So Jason Hall going to take the checkered flag. Led from the green flag to the checkered flag. Pretty dominant run. Jonathan Witt looked like he started figuring the track out there towards the end of the run, but he just ran out of time, ran out of laps. Maybe next weekend he'll get up there and challenge Jason for that win.